Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Ajmal and today I will be explaining microcontrollers in embedded system assignment number 2, question number 2 and question number 1. So the statement of question number 2 is as follows. Individual project assembly with Proteus and see the register and flag movement. Mention the relevant flags in commonly used components. Also print ports. So basically what we have to do, we have to create a program in which we have to perform these functions that are given in this table, which include XNOR, XOR, NOR, NAND, NOT, OR, and multiplication, minus, plus functions. And for that, we have created a program that takes two input variables from port B and one input variable from port C, and then performs a particular task and gives us output through port D. So this is the written code, and this is the block diagram. We have two inputs P and input C and an output port D. So it is controller. So this is the screenshot of our circuit. So now let's move on towards the actual circuit. So this is basically circuit. So let me explain the code first. So basically in this code I have created I have used two registers, R16 and R17, and R16 I have loaded 0xFF and R17 0x00 for making inputs for ports. So we have made B and C input ports and the output ports. So first of all we will take our first input number in our port B, and then we will take our second input number in port C, and then at the third part we will take the function input from port B, which would be any of the function, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, or and or not any of the logical functions. So then we have created a compare function. So basically in compare function we have created so that we have used branch not equal to 0 flag. If it becomes the flag becomes 1, it comes out of the loop, and the commands that are written beneath the loop, beneath the branch loop, are executed. So basically according to the table we have given all of the values, and we have made finally a delay function so that we can take values at a delayed interval so that the values don't mix up. So the delay interval, the delay loop is made for 1 second. I have implemented for each entity for 20 seconds. So now let's move towards the circuit. So first upload the code. So let's file. Basically what we have to do, first of all we have to keep the initial values, and then we have to change the value on the port B so that it can perform a particular task. So as we move towards our table, so we have plus operation. So at plus operation we have to give 0 1 0 0 0 0 double 1, which is basically this part is 3 and this part is 4. So we have to give 43 as input. So we will give input according to this table to our circuit. So now let us give 1 and 1 as our initial input. So let us run my program. So as our initial input is given, so now let us change it to 43. So it was 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. So after running for 60 seconds, the code will give us output according to the written program. So because additional delay of 20 seconds was added for each input to be taken. So it has taken the input from port B, then I have changed it to the function input according to which it will perform the function, and this is the input from port C. So let us wait. now we can see it has commenced to 1. So let's stop this for 1 and again make this 0, 0. Now let's just run this again. So basically we will wait for first 20 seconds. When the first 20 seconds will pass, then we will give the value for our operation. So now we will give our value. So it will become 11 0 0 0 0 1 0. So now let's see what are the changes in our output. As you can see, it is performing according to it. Now let's change it a bit. Let's now run it. So we will wait for first 20 seconds and then change our value. Basically what it will do, it will give us our output in the form now we will make it 1. So now we can see it is giving us the correct value. So now let's stop this and move toward our second code. So basically we were facing some issues in second code, so I can explain second code from this, and I can also show you the basic circuit that we have made. But the error was that it was continuously blinking and not working properly. So basically this function also contains a delay function. Then we have made a function to recognize our number on the basis of what we are giving the inputs through our keypad, and then we have made the function to, because in this we already have to perform addition and subtraction, we have made the function for addition and subtraction and identification. Now let us close this Proteus file, and now, so yes, so basically this is a screenshot of the circuit. Now let's move towards the original circuit. Close this one. So basically close this one, and now move towards question 1, and now the file is here. So basically this is a circuit that was made. I used default bubbles to make the circuit tidy. So basically the circuit is at the moment the circuit is giving values correctly, the values that are inputting, but the problem with the circuit is that it is not performing the operation of addition. It will give some random value. Let me add the hex file for the program. So let me run the code again. So as you can see, so these LEDs keep blinking and there is some error in the code. So when we do plus, minus and anything else, so it gives us random values, and these LEDs will not work. So basically our first code is working properly. Code of question number 2 is working properly fine, and the code of question number 3 is not working properly. So that's all from my side. Thank you.